Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited today to be showing you guys how I achieved this gold yellow makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this eye look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And also if you guys want to enter our monthly giveaway, then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you turn on the bell button and then make sure you're subscribed and comment when done down below. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelid and then buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge and also setting it with some translucent powder. The one that I used is the Laura Mercier. And then for my brow bone highlight, I just went into my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13, and I'm just applying this onto my brow bone. And for the crease color, I'm going to be using a palette by BH Cosmetics called Back to Brazil palette. And I love this palette for all of my bright looks. It has so many colorful shadows in this palette, and I'm going to be mixing both of these eyeshadows. So I'm just pretty much laying it down in my crease and rounding it out on the outer corner. And I'm just going in left and right motions. And first I went in with the lighter shade, and then I picked up the darker yellow, and I kind of just blended the both together, and it turned out super pigmented. And I'm just repeating the same steps with the darker yellow. So next, I'm just carving my lid, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light once again. And I'm using this very defined angled brush for this step, and I'm making sure that I apply a nice even base all over my eyelid. And I'm going to be prepping it for this next product that I'm going to be using, so I just want a nice even base. So next, I'm picking up this product right here. This is the Jelly Much Shadow in the color Foxes, and I'm just applying this onto my eyelid with my finger and then going in over top with an eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using over top of this is from this Too Faced palette. I believe it's called Pineapple Sparkles or something like that. I'll leave the name of it in the description box down below. But I'm just patting that over top of the cream shadow. And I'm just kind of leaving a space between the lid and the crease. I kind of wanted to keep that concealer line there. And then for lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Barbados lashes. If you guys want to check those out, the link will be in the description box down below. And then I applied a bronzy brown eye pencil in my waterline. For my lower lash line, I applied the yellow from the BH palette on my lower lash line first. And then I went into a dark brown eyeshadow in the Too Faced palette. And then I went back into the first brush that we used to apply the yellow just to blend the two together. And that's pretty much it for this look. It was super easy and simple to achieve. Last thing I'm doing is applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and also applying my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13 to my brow bone and a little bit more to my inner corner. And then I also ran my spoolie through some bar soap and then ran it through my brow. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this look. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!